This is Kurt DeYoung with Nanolumens live from the InfoComm show floor. On this station we're showing you our new NanoPanel 55. This is intended to be a drop-in replacement for tiled LCD walls or single LCDs in public spaces. This is a 55-inch single cabinet. It uses a direct view LED COB technology on the face, and each product is 1920 by 1080. So in this 2x2 variety, we've got a 4K screen that uses standard LCD video wall mounts. And again, a single HDMI and a single power cord. And you can see this is the bezel seam, so it's really fine. It's really hard to discern. And again, this is a great option for our partnership with Barco on the control side for security operations centers, network operations centers, but it's also terrific for an LCD replacement, to drop in replacement for an existing LCD video wall. So check out the NanoPanel 55 at nanolumens.com. And again, thank you very much.